Hi everyone, welcome to the series of Java programming sessions. Today I am going to discuss about string class with various methods. In the string there are n number of methods are there, but I want to discuss only split, trim and contains. So what this split will do? It will split the given string into tokens based on the delimiters. The delimiter may be comma, maybe space, as well as maybe semicolon, whatever it may be. So it will split the given string into group of strings or tokens. Trim trim will remove the white spaces in the beginning of the string as well as the end of the string. And the contains, if you want to search a particular string whether it is contained or not in another string, you can use contains. That now today the complete world is moving around the data. So the data may be in the RDBMS or maybe CSV file or maybe JSON. Okay, then so I want to use this string split trim methods to extract the useful information. So the strings may be like I given two examples here. Select id comma name comma salary from so and so table emp. So this emp may be a table name or maybe a CSV file name or maybe a JSON file name and conditions. In the second example I given something. Select team 1 team 2 winner win by runs player of the match and from IPL. Okay. So if this type of query is given, so you should able to extract the information whether it is maybe RDBMS or maybe CSV file or JSON. That now what we have to extract in general, I want to extract the table names or file names. In the first example it is the EMP and in the second example is in the IPL. Then in the other one I want to extract what are the fields they required. In the first example ID name salary, in the second example different fields team 1 team 2 winner win by runs player of the match. Okay. Then similarly I want to extract on what condition they are filtering the data. In the first example salary is greater than some amount as well as department equal to HR, and in the second example season equal to 2008. Okay. Then in the other example this order by, sometimes I may need to display the records in ascending or descending order on particular field. So in this one I give an order by win by runs. Then how to extract the required information from first of all we should able to split the query and we should able to extract the information so that we can execute these queries against any CSV file or JSON. Now I want to give the simple demo. How can we extract the required fields? Let me open my Eclipse. Then I want to create quickly a Java project, and the Java project name I am giving query parser, and I want to create a simple class. The class name I am giving here class name also query parser, and I want to give the meaningful package name. Generally the package name will be organization type dot organization name dot the project name and dot the module. Then now let me quickly write a main method. Now I want to extract the related fields. So let me take what is my query string. The query string let me copy from what is there in the PPT itself. So let me take the second example. So in the second example what I given, select the team 1 team 2 winner win by runs. So let me take this example and let me adjust this quickly. Then so in this example how I will explain how to extract the file name. So if you want to extract the file name, you should understand what this string split will do. So in the query string, so if I split the query string into spaces, so actually this is not the good way to split the space. There may be a number of spaces may be there, you may need to use regular expressions, but in the first example just I want to use just a space. So let us say what the split will do. The split will split the query string into group of tokens. So first token is the select, second token is the team 1, third token is the team 2 and so on. So if I want to extract the first token, you have to give 0. Then let me check what it is printing. So Just I am printing the simple SOP and let us check what it is printing. So it is printing the first token, select. So if you give 1, what it will print? It will print the team 1. So similarly like that. Then so let us say I want to print IPL. So this IPL 1, 2, 3. I hope it is the 7th position. So if it is a 7, then let me check whether it is the file name it is printing or not. So file name is printing, but this is not the correct way to extract the file name, because there will be n number of spaces may be there, n number of fields may be there, or even they can use something star. Then how to extract the particular file? So what you can do, instead of splitting with the space, so you can split with from. So I am splitting with the from. What it will do? Whatever the string is there before from, and whatever the strings are, whatever the string is there after from. So it will split into 2 parts. First part will be stored in 0, and the second part will be stored in 1. So let us discuss. Let us print 0th one. What it will print? So it will print whatever it is there before from. So whatever it is there is the before from, it is printed. Then so if you want to display whatever it is there and the after from, you can do something 1 here. Now let us check what it is printing. Then so here it is printing after IPL, everything it is printing, but I am interested to get only the IPL. So what you can do, again this the remaining part of the string after from I want to split with spaces. Now can you split? Again you can say split. Then I am giving spaces. Okay. Then after that, just I am interested only the first word, that is IPL. Okay. Then here if I give 0, okay, you may expect IPL, but it may not print IPL here because there is a space is there. Now I will explain even what is the trim also. That if you execute this, nothing is printed. So why nothing is printing? Because after from, so there is a space. So you should remove the space. Then how can you remove the space? Okay, here after this one, if I say trim, so trim, first I am extracting this value, okay, that is from 1, nothing but whatever highlighted, but here the space is there, you have to remove the space. So if you remove the space, then 0th location will be IPL, else the empty location will be there in the 0th location. Now let us display this. Now it is printing IPL. So this is the way, whatever the field you want to extract, you can do it. But as I said, this is not the way to split the string. So there may be n number of spaces may be there. Better to use the regular expressions. The regular expressions s plus. So this is, there will be n number of spaces may be there. It will split. Now let me execute this. Oh. This I will discuss later. In the regular expression, I want to take a separate class. This is the way you have to extract the information. Similarly, if you want to extract the field, so let us say after order by, if you want to display whatever the field is there, so that also you can use display. You can use simply you can say something order by. Instead of splitting with from, you can display order by. Then after the order by, so whatever the field is there, that is the what you require. So before order by, it will store in the 0th location. After order by, it will store in the first location. Okay. So directly you can use order by of 1, but again you may need to use split if there is any other information, other word is there. Okay, so just I got the win by runs. Okay, it means that order by, it will split before order by, whatever it is there, it will store in 0th location, and after order by, it will store in the first location. But there may be other things may be there. So if other things are there, again you may need to use. Again you may need to split with the spaces. So this is the way you can extract whatever the information you want. Even next example I will give what you can extract.